This time of year you hear often that fall is for planting, and we just wanted to talk a little bit today about, some of the reasons for that.
Yes, I mean, with the fall, you're going into a period of time where you got good moisture and you got cooler soils, two ingredients for getting plants established.
And especially in the fall, you want to concentrate on root growth, so this is a good time of year for that.
Exactly, getting those roots established, you've got a lot of time between now until the ground freezes. And even though you're not seeing top growth on a plant, the roots are still growing. And that's the real critical part about fall.
And that's why fall is such a great time for dividing perennials, transplanting. If you've got something that you want to move to a different area of the garden, this is a good time of year to do that.
Exactly. Another thing to keep in mind, if you're out shopping this time of year, instead of being, so hung up on spring and summer flower color, you look at some of the plants that have nice fall color or nice winter interest. It gives you a kind of a different perspective on your shopping.
Can really extend the color in your garden all the way through the year.
Sure. And one other thing to keep in mind with fall, there's still a large selection of plants, but you can also get some deals this time of year.
So if you've got an area that you're looking to add something to, consider planting it this fall. So if you have any questions about fall planting, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.